Hello everyone, this is Manoj Suryavanshi, currently working as an assistant professor in All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Shivaji Nagar, Pune. Subject Basic Rooms Division 2, Subject Code C203, Chapter 5, Housekeeping Control Desk. The objective of this chapter and the content is to know what is control desk and the various records maintained at the control desk. Housekeeping control desk is the nerve center of the housekeeping department. It is one of the most important section of the housekeeping department. Without control desk, housekeeping department cannot run, cannot survive. So I would say it's a backbone of housekeeping department. Each and every work carried out at housekeeping control desk. It is one of the point contact for all housekeeping activities, which also controls, coordinates, and keeps a constant link among the various activities taking place at different locations by housekeeping staff and also people associated with housekeeping within the hotel premises. So all the coordination and cooperation can be deal with housekeeping control decks. All the problems as far as public area is concerned, as far as guest rooms are concerned, can be communicated at housekeeping control decks. Coordinates with the front office for room status and updation and sorting out room discrepancy issues. Again, it also coordinates with front office department for the updates of room status and to find out any room discrepancy issues also. It also coordinates with the maintenance department regarding guest room maintenance issues. All the maintenance problems which arises or which comes in any one of the guest rooms in any one of the floor can be easily communicated with the help of housekeeping control desk. So all the calls, all the messages, all the complaints directly goes to housekeeping control desk. Now we'll go and see a list of functions which are carried out at housekeeping control desk. It's a central hub of housekeeping department. All the communication happens through this section, and it works 24 into 7. There are three shifts: morning shift, afternoon shift, and night shift. Then receiving information and distribution of information happens at this section. It also deals with smooth coordination with other departments. It could be front office department, it could be maintenance department, or any other department. Whenever they feel is there any problem as far as cleaning is concerned or as far as room amenities are concerned, they coordinate with control desk. It also receives all kinds of messages, and it is one of the section where housekeeping departmental keys should be deposited and can be issued. And there is one more book which is called logbook, which will also maintain at control desk. Then lost and found, all the lost and found procedures happens at control desk. And room status report is also maintained at control desk to see the actual number of rooms which are occupied and the number of rooms which are going to departure. Now we are moving towards the second section, that is called records maintained at the control desk. There are lots of records which housekeeping control desk maintains. Out of that, we'll go and see the major records, major files and registers, which is extremely required to run the section successfully and smoothly. So the first register is key control register. This is one of the most important at housekeeping control desk. It is the part of key security system to be followed by the housekeeping department. Each employee who has taken the key have to sign this before taking the key, and also they sign the register after the handover of keys. So whenever guest room attendants comes in the morning and after attending briefing, they collect their floor keys and rooms keys. So before taking the keys, they have to sign in the register, that is called key control register. So before issuing and after depositing also, they have to sign for the security purpose, so that nobody can misuse the keys, nobody can make the duplicate keys out of original keys, and nobody can mishandle the keys. So For the precautionary measures, key control register is been maintained, and it is very important. Then maintenance registers, like I had mentioned, there are lots of problems which comes from various guest rooms, floors and public areas. So we should have a proper register at housekeeping control desk, where we can maintain all kinds of maintenance problems. We can include, we can write serial number wise, dates, areas, and what kind of maintenance problems are there. So this contains the records of all the pending uh, maintenance work, which the housekeeping department initiated work order. And maintenance registers is used for recording all the maintenance work required in a room and public area. According to that, control desk sends the slips to the maintenance department. So as soon as housekeeping control desk receives any maintenance problems, they inform the maintenance department, and accordingly maintenance department comes and rectify the problems. But all the entries, all the issues and all the problems should be noted down in the maintenance register. Logbook. A logbook is a ship's logs, or simply log, is a record of important events in the management, operation, and navigation of a ship. So if there are 2 or 3 shifts of the employees, they can note it down in the logbook. And even though if there are any important messages or any important events are going to take place in the hotel, should be noted down in the logbook. So it will be easy for the staff who is going to come in the afternoon, or who is going to come in the evening shifts. So they can easily go through the logs, and accordingly they can run the department. In indent books, the housekeeping department generates the indents of non-stock items. Stock items are the regular operating supplies such as soap, shampoo, stationeries, and cleaning supplies. Non-stock items are non-consumable items such as crystal vases for flower arrangement. Housekeeping control decks also maintain the Indian books, which is one of the major important document for housekeeping department, in which they note down all the requirements for housekeeping department, like guest room amenities, supplies, chemicals, or any other material which are required from the centralized store or decentralized store. So they have to make an indent, and through indent they get all the material, so that they can keep their floor pantry ready. They can maintain the inventory and the stock in the respective areas. Gate pass, it is also one of the major document which should be maintained by the housekeeping control desk, and we should be controlled, because without making any gate pass, nobody is allowed to take out any items from the hotel premises. So whenever somebody wants to take out anything from the hotel premises, they have to get the gate pass compulsory. So an employee is required to possess a gate pass issued and authorized by the head of the department whenever a hotel property is removed from the hotel. Spot check, security personnel conduct spot check of employees' handbags at random to ensure that unauthorized items are not being taken out of the hotel. So for the security purpose, nobody is allowed to take out any hotel articles or property from the hotel premises. If somebody is found without gate pass, or somebody is found with articles without any gate pass, so he can be easily caught, and he'll be punished accordingly. So gate pass is very important. Now we are moving towards on the quiz. I'll update the quiz in my YouTube channel in the same link. You can appear for the quiz. Okay, you can click the link, and you can appear for the quiz. And once you submit your quiz, you can see your marks also. So these are the references. I have referred this book for my PPTs, and these are the websites which I have utilized to get some pictures for housekeeping control decks. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Before going to conclude, I would like to show you one video on housekeeping control deck, so it will give you an idea exactly how housekeeping control desk exactly works in the hotel.
Welcome to Vadhvani Foundation's Housekeeping Procedures Training. Let's watch a video on responsibilities of a housekeeping control desk attendant. Communication. One of the major responsibilities of the housekeeping control desk, or the HCD, is to communicate various requests, complaints, and queries to the concerned department or personnel. The HCD attendant gets calls with special requests from the guests. These requests may be for an extra bed or an electric iron. He communicates these to the concerned floor supervisor or attendant and the concerned department. The floor supervisor calls the HCD back after the request is met. Front office calls the HCD informing about the check-ins and check-outs. HCD calls the concerned floor supervisor who ensures the vacant rooms are cleaned thoroughly. Floor supervisor calls the HCD back to confirm the room status. An HCD attendant completes the communication cycle by ensuring all requests and queries are resolved. Coordination. The HCD attendant has to coordinate with different departments and sections of the hotel. He coordinates with the floor supervisor in case of guest special requests. For example, if the guest asks for some warm water, the floor supervisor or attendant is informed by the HCD. He simultaneously coordinates with different departments or sections as and when required. For example, he contacts the engineering or maintenance department if a room attendant reports issues with a guest room's TV, AC, etc. He coordinates with the attendants at the time of shift change and ensures no piece of information is lost while the shift handover happens. He also coordinates with the front office in case of guest arrivals or departures. Consolidation. An HCD attendant consolidates records of every operation of housekeeping. He updates the housekeeping data board with information like in-house VIPs, occupancy percentage, arrivals, departures, to-do list, etc. He updates the room status, occupancy, etc. online on the Property Management System or PMS as informed by the floor supervisors. He maintains important files, logs, and registers like Guest Call or Request Register, also called the Desk Register, which has a record of guests' requests, complaints, and progress with each of them. Staff Movement List, which has the details of areas allotted to different attendants for cleaning, services, etc. Lost and Found Register, which has description of all the items found in the guest rooms or reported as lost by the guests. Missing or broken items register, which has a record of missing or broken items in different areas of the hotel. Minibar consumption list, which has a record of minibar items consumed by the guests. The guests are billed based on this list. Keys register, which has details of floor keys, guest room keys, etc. Shift handover log, which is the log of status of housekeeping at the time of shift change of the attendants. Room discrepancy report, which has the status of rooms and is sent to the front office.